Yes, I went up there. She's very nice.
Okay naman kami.
Buwan ng Hunyo ng nakaraang taon nang pumutok ang balitang may di pagkakaunawaan sina Heart Evangelista at Marian Rivera. 15 months later, nagkaayos na rin sa wakas ang dating magkaibigan. Naganap ang pagbabati sa taping ng special show para sa Comedy King na si Dolphy Kamakalawa.
As much as possible, I want to be okay with everybody. So, when there's an opportunity and mukhang okay naman ang lahat, mararamdaman mo naman kung tama yung timing, then not a problem if you approach.
Ay naku, wag na natin pag-usapan yun. Basta okay naman kami. Huwag na natin mag-ikaw talaga? Inintriga mo ako. Oo naman, okay. Wala namang problema.
In time, darating talaga na maging okay ka sa lahat ng mga nagkaroon kayo ng conflict in the past. As long as you're a very humble person and everything like that, then everything will follow at maging maayos ang lahat.
Sa nasabing event, nagkaroon din ng pagkakataong muling magkausap si Heart at ang ex-boyfriend nitong si Daniel Matsunaga.
We're really good friends, and it's nice kasi it's not all the time that you can be really good friends with an ex-boyfriend, and more than anything, he is also a good friend of mine. Nag-umpisa kami as friends, and we will remain friends.
Friends kami, we still talk, di ba? Kasi we had a long relationship before, so there's no reason for being mad or having any bad feelings. I'm really happy for her life now.
Samantala, muling nilinaw ng Luna Blanca star na nasa Getting to Know You stage pa sila ni Senator Francis Escudero. Sa kabila ito ng regular na pagkikita ng dalawa.
We are not together like that, but we have good conversation. We spend a lot of time talking to each other, and it's a nice feeling, but nothing the way people think it is.
Kung may higit na natutuwa sa nangyayari kina Heart at Cheese, ito ay walang iba kundi si Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago na nagsilbing matchmaker ng dalawa. Naging malapit si Heart sa senadora matapos itong kuning maid of honor sa 40th wedding anniversary ng mambabatas.
Nalaman ko na nagdadalamhati itong si Heart dahil sa nag-break up sila ng prior boyfriend niya. So I said, masyadong malawak ang daigdig para ka maghinagpis ng ganyan. Kasi limitado ka lang sa show business. Kaya gagawan kita ng listahan na may listahan ng mga politiko na eligible. Unang-una si Cheese dahil nasa balita noon na naghiwalay na silang mag-asawa. So I approached Cheese if he was interested in making the acquaintance of Heart, and I warned Heart that he would call. So they went out on their first date.
Bago pa man ipinakilala kay Cheese, tinangkaring i-pair ng senadora si Heart kay Pangulong Noynoy Aquino.
Si Heart Evangelista kasi inosenteng bata dahil pinakabunso ng kanyang pamilya. Pagkatapos ito naman si Presidente Aquino, masyadong formal at seryoso. Kaya tamang-tama sila. I think that for Heart Evangelista, ang pinakamagandang asawa dyan ay mas matanda sa kanya, naalagaan siya.
As fate would have it though, sina Heart at Cheese ang naging malapit sa isa't isa. Ngunit katulad ng sabi ng aktres, magkaibigan lamang sila ng senador.
Yes, he makes me laugh.
Laugh na kilig or what?
All kinds of laugh. Every this. He's very nice.
Pero open naman yung relationship or what?
We're not in a relationship, nothing official. Yes, we're having fun.